a ne re tshela thupa ne re tshela thupa re qeta re tshela ka metsi a batang ra go squatisa ke medication ne re e tshwere eo o ile waya ba GPAC ba re ba tima information why re isolator re lo re mo pimple test spray rona re basic zone 4 then we had a meeting in the bona GPAC in ali more than 18 years it exists so rona that time ne re na le 4 years so ba bitswa meeting ra kopana ra kena ka mo tlasa GPAC ra khutla ra bitsa patrol tsa zone 4 guys situation e ke GPAC are adopt because zone 4 crime is like before then ba batla re be 21 female test spread re sebeditse le bona ra sebetsa le bona until today and then re na le marketing manager mo GPAC elem ke go mashego then afumanela amaketa di sponsor afumana di jacket kile ka tla ka tlo report mo ba le teng le bona ne re feletse ka ofela mo room then ra fua di task mo GPAC tse dingwe tsa ditho le ke di reporter through the WhatsApp ya mo zone 4 ba le ba bona ntse tse ne re di fumana mo zone 4 le sa reporting to tse tsalang ka mo di sector tse dingwe le ke reporter only mo zone 4 ha di etsala mo zone 4 le raya bashimane ba adopta style sa rona sa di reflector we said no are change the reflect we wear this jacket there are only few basenants on but we came from the patrollers and then raya rafumana the t-shirt that's GPAC wile arile mo meeting ba re bisitse mo ka re report ka re very soon they are giving some reflector ka re ke ja di reflector jacket because bashimane bana ha re tla o feta ba tla ka style se sengwe ba kentse di reflector ba tshwara batho po le ke itse bashimane ba patroller le rona especially mo zone 4 le ke ba kupile ka re ba tle ba di apere di reflector jacket tseo ke ba ke ba bona none of them we apere I wonder why ba sa ya apara so how le patroller o ye mo koneng you must know that we are ambassador the community so we raya le ona jwanong bona le di jackets tse re tlo di fumanang tsa di tla be di ngwetse GPAC that's how re le ra kena ka mo tlasa GPAC winter time o la tla auso mongwe ke nono are guys ke a bona le a sebetsa female test spread crime e theohile so ke tlole bua le magwaka a le fe di jacket hale ka mfa fela di size tsa lona then bile le magwa admit so wire until last week refumana mafu i2 ane re tobane le ona the two members tsa rona tse la sa tlhokofala re na le tsona o e one tlhokofale se mo le mo grounding ya mo zone 3 mo parking o mo na ntsa kula marasa bontsi wa kula then ntsa kena le rona strategy wa mo zone 7 then Acosta Road the executive you mo kena organizer okay hands where ka poswa ko Northwest ke representa GPAC tsamaile the other 2 members ta executive ya go teng ba sala ka GPAC e teng all over le go Alexander Dube renale GPAC what 37 renale GPAC why renale area tse ka ofela tsa GPAC is because how it's a crime motho a tloa ka mo amate a ye ka kwa re gona communicate le ba ward 27 ba bunkosi re bua le yena motho so re a mo batla ka mo kapa le bona bana le problem ka mo motho so ke yo ka mo clinic re dila ka motho re a mo bitsa ba bunkosi ke yo motho le mmata same applies to us re le ra ba le problem mo strateng se sa bo austed we call that ngosi a re tlisetsa batho ba so this GPAC ka mo ka futswane e namme I think it I mama o sila o dumela ke go para ke pamise ntate Modise e le nyana a le member ya rona ya executive ntate Modise go para pa me ntate ba bona ke jo Modise ke tswa le yena
askisi me mo mala ka mo pe nerisa ba ke go motho ai pointele motho ai misele to asube mama kama ora mamela
batho ba go ke a le hlompha ke kopa re hlomphane ke a le hlompha ke kopa re hlomphane and re hlompheng gape le nako ba rona ga le re meeting re tsadi meeting wa pele fihlela ba gona jwa bothata bo ntate emanyana bo ims o theosetse wa hanyane fe bo pesbak ka ba mfu mo batla go tshwara meeting kana go tshwara bana le baka le re tlisitseng mo re tshware meeting ke ka baka la di patrollers and e be le gore le baka leo ha ke gole gore sanko go bila sa ya bole ke batla gore dintho le hledi tsebe sa le bona tje ha ke sa ya bole ke gore ya bole e be le gore bothata ra go sort out now as community ya people then ke to bitsa the organizers tsa sanko chairperson ke tate ma share yes na le bothata ni kopa baiti ba rona ba ke ba mmamele hantle ntate Mashele as chairperson ya Sanko as person ya Sanko as chairperson ya Sanko tuna le bothata ke ba di patrollers mo tshwana le ke go WhatsApp go bane le bothata bo hlaiswa ke Alex as RK executive member ya lona ya go ke executive member ke chair ya go Sanko gore tle re bitse swa re batla go tseba gore handle go etsagala ha ke di bitse le mphakathi because ha re tlo tellana go WhatsAppong ha e hantle santse re hlomphane rena le batho ba ba bula go WhatsApp and ha ebe kile ka motella antshwarela kile ka botsa go WhatsAppong ka re ha o executive o chair ya Sanko I don't think Sanko e ka ba against the patrollers so ile hore tse ka ile Sanko molaetsa ile wa gore go batla dikatla le tsebeng bana ba ngata bana di WhatsApp ba bang ga bana data kana go as Pimville resident ra ba xhasa di patrollers go tswa go wena go ba batla mara motho a ska o seke le seke as community motho a ska re kela di decision as community ne so ke go batla gore a tla re tle rapele bothata ntate Alex under Sanku pele ke tlo bitsa bo ntate ka mo before okay o eme ntate Sanku
dumela ai ke tsaba e mapele tsaba ditsi se ke di disitse ke re tlo lokisa re tlo lokisa ke la re tshwanetse re kale ka hlogo re tlo iketella ka mohatleng then it lets go home. Then Toba Bitsa one by one so that Batubahono who understand whole structure Sanko Sienitra. Coach? Reguata,
Melang batswa ona ke Kostana Katema ka lebitso ke organizer ya Kostana Katema ke organizer ya Sanko ya Ward 22 na di dula mo di flateng tse mo Gulf Coast tse mo ka.
All right. Now, I cannot say Ward 22. Right. Now, problem in more zone 4, in more local again. Ribita a chairperson or something to almost put in front of you for it is Comrade Masha. Yeah, not Madam Masha, ke chairperson ya block. Ha animo the whole ward. Ya ward 22. Now the question is, as a leader of this ward, Alex, get the picture.
Listen, don't put away Kuluma. Kuluma the way up coming up on the missile. Ama members. A block. So we Kulubu Bonisa a community which is China 700 as a block. As a block, Sinama meeting way to Swawamba. Maubona which is must a block before my state committees. A block is state committees. Man is the army meeting. There was with no support alone with no low one. And then the Masuga Lapoke, say what a home bacanch. Then the branch years the figure is low as a community. So now, Man Kulmamo Alex, you couldn't have Muto Musha. Also, we are attended our meeting. So, some pointy as a teacher. As Cafe, you go branch, go to lodge, and the sisters of point of food, a buying, over 15. Man is a meeting in, she was when you point. Marman is a meeting in, so point about. From board, from January up to December, mighty Monday, Amalidas, Amalidas is a zone 4, street committees. When they execute my executive, like by Zala, in the meeting, see a launch. So, much more if we have a problem, you will find our pay, our report it. But report I think if you are full. In Toma, if we have a problem, we challenge you. For me, we lungi. See if I lungi, we are starting. Go street committee. If now I Basuleg is a good block. This is what I call. So now, man could make another. Nyazu to know election. We were Tavan and Abantu. What a group. is a big problem. So now, that's why we point to Alex. For Alex, we point to him, and we are activity as a deputy chairman.
Can I respond before you go further so that the community can know? I get all more appointed. I get how more appointed who one has agree abasomu asolunchiwe ukuthi deputy chair yeah. But if I talk about group asinya dinto a ke sanko hona rengelwa yeah asinya dinto a ke sanko ke executive ke chairperson I can't talk rona ke sanko because we don't know the structures as sanko so ne go pa gore
mo okay ona mo ke wa buanga teng baile ka tseba never le mona ke Alex le sel le no abataba e ba ka bana ka ntutsa bona aka clarify so na ke yo so I'm not there
Basari Stella agitima Stella sizolungisa mina I think the problem is a reporting structure because now as a block you can't call yourself an executive. That's misleading to the community. They must call themselves a block. We are a block committee and a sound for one day. So Mabatala is an executive. He is a misleader with community. You should sort it out there. And then I'm a group WhatsApp, but you always encourage abantu with a group WhatsApp. It's meant for communication. When there are emergency issues, then we communicate through WhatsApp. But let's avoid to make it WhatsApp. Abanye bayenza igossip. Yabo abanye sebayenza
Chairperson Skazama. Tibile Chairperson Mona Aro WhatsApp. Liana Kiamuti. This issue, ena ya deputy. It needs to be sorted out as soon as possible. As soon as possible. We cannot just leave it hanging for it. No, hanging or no. Kaba di members are some. Hakati lakini kan fail. Hakati na ho no hedi tsile mo di masa. It's fancy the big issue. Really.
Issue confused. Remember, the appointment of the secretary of meeting can be failed. But the people who are chairperson or this meeting must not be a kangaroo court. Or the ceremony when we take what's up, Naka, when we lose a direction in meeting. I want to make a submission to Sanko, for leadership of Sanko, or at least Sanko must go and sort a house in order. We don't know, not all of us here really more are members of Sanko in good standing. You must be a member of Sanko with the card again. And then Sanko must call their card carrying members, committing by addressing issues that are on we're not there. We're members of the community here and we want things to be in order again. So Sanko, through you, the leadership here, Ward 22 and all the sub-branches, the zone, go and sort out your issues, leave it in order more, then you'll come to us as residents. As residents, Kiruna the leaders, deposit Sanko again. Because if we are not there, you don't represent anyone again. So please, Sanko Kajeku Kiavona organizer one out and Chukumlangona, Samangi Luluxa, Lutana Libe order, Alakusha, Lirable or Diloditsamaka, Katsela is correct. Because we are not to have a whole moon again. Point number 2, GPEC. On the issue of GPEC, Yautavare abbreviation, GPEC, Greater Pinville Against Crime. GPEC is operating in Dube, GPEC is operating in Northwest, but Libitoki Greater Pimville Against Crime. Is it Pimville against Legal Northwest? You're confused. Again, it's a presentation at GPEG, or what is the relationship at GPEG subs? Down. Remember, when we talk of the patrollers, Cliptown SAPS must be involved because we are dealing with crime. But GPEG, NGO, Runali marketing manager, blah, blah, blah. Nothing. Everyone, station commissioner, and everyone, Wabo Cliptown, and then Kikupa, through you, Chairperson. In our next meeting, Ari Tilaka issues the crime. SAPS must be present in our meeting. Sarah, to discover confusion, the Lolita Maika Tsela correct. Anything everyone, if it is we're talking about crime, Cliptown SAPS, Ealing Police Station, it must be present in committee. Or decision tomorrow, Runaka Fena Rinkiling decision. Cliptown SAPS are rated and said wrong. We want you to Lolita Maika Tsela correct. His submission as acting secretary wakaje kyalevu
tatumdisi alibalile tate semi ka bantu mo ka itse matlo hlalo setse re tseba re sebetsa jang papa a ke gane ke a jack mara a kre yena o tsikile gane re a invite How GPEG?
GPEG man access policy. That's why I can
Okay, I think Commissioner Mashudu Ubuan media SAPS and meeting today. Kubita, all the leaders study Ward 19, Ward 22, Ward 25. This new structure say CPF. And then thereafter, request the IESA, it more battle in the SAPS, including CPS.
Meeting if I'm not mistaken, Mashudu, contributed towards the patrol as GPEG, I guess. If you want to tell me to contribute again, and the last time at least I want to go to the Bachelor of Navatin, but about the Patrola, Uzamaya Juan, and to the so Batan. Yeah, this Gala contributor, I Banzim Batola contribute, but they contribute. Banzim Balada, Batakupang a GPEG Hori, Ibalade, if I say good pastor put the Babatamaka 5, Picabuma 4. Unzo net Felajua, check a Hanny Jumelani. So when I at least selling banata, you don't want to listen to Rumelan or GPEG retired class, I guess. Contribute about 50 rands, if I'm not mistaken. And then Nunale Babang, by the Barthalo says, I will not Baladu a bone clue, the Bana Baladu a more operation. Most times Parliament they might. So, any a community is a contributor, a Honadi patroller studying Hayo. So Baba Tango to Paula, Bata Paula, and we're not forcing anyone to contribute. And Baba Mutwating Otabare Nahaki Baboni. Can I go Urubit? I akere and ka meeting wa last re tse tshika no go na le di-patrollers pele akere a di sa le tse ding mo hara bao ba nentse ba le teng a re tlo go tlela morao re bua ntho tsa 1995 a re no go tlela morao re bua ntho tsa 1995 to do it at that. Yeah, talk to me, Mr. Mandema. Emotional day for what? For what? For what? For what? Must you talk in order? Go out. Go out. Go out. Go out. Go out. Go out. Don't step on go out. How woman like schedule is that of the meeting one? No. I can't be emotional. I'm talking like this. I cannot believe that we are top. Yes. Oh. Yeah. But give up my Mr. Matok, something to do with it. So I know I don't get a guy. Yeah. Oh. Yes. I'm not that I was asking them because he was sad. I can share the meeting, madam. You can't tell like I tell that lady. I don't play like the emotions. Who are you to tell me about the emotions?
And then my patrola a phethilwe ke community na mang le mang a tsile ona le ma patrola ka re no utlwa fela ka GPEC ya ma patrola mara go se bone go fethiwa ma patrola ke and then le yona ya di-51 a re ha ne ka ba e tsiwa bona mo le meeting ya ma patrola le tshwarela kae.
Okay, you go Arabic company. Do you remember Tate Mashel? I'm checking last year, if I'm not mistaken, in this room there. How you invited a GPEC and all that, I guess. People are not attending meetings. I think that they don't get a decision. I guess people are not attending meetings. The women are really few. I guess. Yes. I think the other decision days and you are more. As the patroness did it. And I think Khaled did it. I guess. Maybe we're not only CEO and the Fetiwa did it. So maybe we don't want to tell them around your Fetiwa happy. Because you got a nice procedure for now for it's a drama. But I know that now I don't know anything about the GPEC. Now you don't choose it. I'm not in part of the GPEC. I'm just sharing the meeting. Okay, ma'am. Huh?
So, last year, Nalima Patrola and so forth. Affecting the community. If you want us again, the council around Abitiwa affecting. But Vetiwa, no Vetiwa, from police station. Higher, also say Vetiwa. I worry, which are our Likawa was a Nalima Patrola. Here, okay, Alco Panen, Patrola, I say, moving, you are. Babi twa meeting mo se mara dumela go tlakana go kopanele go be nthiwa gore go etsa etseng go na go etswa ka eng ka tsetse ina a fela fo ka ma patrola a ka mo ba go ka dite ke yona ta be
yebo mthisikhathi sembonana mina ngicela ukuza ngama-patrol ukuqonda kahle ama-patrola kahle enza umsebenzi omuhle ngizokhuluma ngokuthi balanda abantu benza yebo bayakwenza lokho into enhle kakhulu kodwa engifuna ukucacisa kakhulu amapatrola bepatrola nakuba kusembu besingayenzi nje ukuthi siphelezele abantu senzani besikhanyisa nasemzini ukuthi sibone ukuthi akekho osebhokisini lamalakhe otshontsha emzini yabantu so bengifuna icacise ukuthi kungasho ukuthi ngoba baphelezele abantu umsebenzi omuhle vele bayakwenza lokho kodwa nasemizini siyagada mase siqedile ukuphelezela abantu siyakhanyisa nithi siyakhanyisa emajardini abantu sibheke ukuthi asithi sigebengu singenele ugogo so kanti ucacisa kubahlali ukuthi amapatrola ngicela ukuthi siwabambe ngama-handcuffs ngoba ayenza umsebenzi omkhulu. Number 2 ngicela ukuthi singabi nento yokuthi hayi nakina nganosebenza abakhaphi ngwanapha uyabona into njengalezi ngicela ukuthi uma ngabe kunjani mina amilungu ukuthi ngiyayikhipha lo 50 rand whether bamlandile ayene bayamlanda Nkosi yami ngoba kodwa ngicela nalaba abangafunda ngasho awunamuntu osebenza ngimoda ini ngicela ukuthi bahlali amapatrola siwanakekelele. Number 2 mgcinisikalo bengicela ukuthi sazi ngoba njengoba usho lento yama-WhatsApp abanye abanama-WhatsApp njengami nje ngimsebenzi anginafoni ngicela usitshele namhlanje ukuthi i-50 rand siyisa kubani mangihlala endaweni ethize ngiyisa kubani mangihlala endaweni ethize ngiyisa kubani and ngicela ukuthi ongafuni ukuyikhipha ahlala angakhiphi angaloku asho ukuthi hayi mina ngikhulumisana nosebangangeni jati ongafuni ukuyikhipha ahlala angayikhiphi angakhulumi nisi mina-ke ngiyazibuzela mina ngihlala ngapha ezone 4 ngakabakusema ngicela ukuza ukuthi eyami imali yamapatrola ngiyisa kubani.
Alex actually platform akhulume because i-issue ebalimisayo i-very sensitive. U-Alex if ngizomcorrecta uthe akafuni ukuthi makuyokolekwa imali kuthiwe kukolekwa imali ngegama lakhe azange ayenze i-argument. So we need to know the people who went to Alex ukuyomtshela ukuthi no thina sokuza abantu abazokoleka imali and thina asazi ukwenzakalani mara bathe so also we need to know ukuthi kahle imali ikolekwa abobani. We need kahle namhlanje kumele ukuthi sibe nama-patrollers wonke la because imali ungeza anyone endlini athi uzokoleka whereas mhlawumbe njengoba belwa kanjena asazi ukuthi lo uwela ngapha or lo uwela ngapha. So ngicela ukuthi mnikeze position akwazi ukuthi as-explainele kahle ukuthi kwenzakaleni bazuze abantu kanje.
WhatsApp ngithanda ukubonga isikhathi lesi sokuba la ngokuzithoba. First of all, I'm a Christian, but I know what to do. I would like to apologize kuqala kumuntu because dala siyaza nalomuntu lona from into ze-ESCOM kuma-reference and we did a very good job. That's why when I PV kwamanje ayikagcineka. It's because of the effort of this woman. But I want to apologize for what I did on WhatsApp group because of I'm a human. I also want to apologize also for the aggressiveness and whatever because of I'm a human also. But I didn't appoint myself. Angizange is-appointed kuba yi-leader. Ngiyi-leader based on iSANCO structure, even though kune-commission ngoba ngiyayibona vele iyakhuluma indaba ye-deputy coming issue, which is going to be sorted within the executive and everything, which names will be under the carpet. But bahlali angazi ukuthi how things work. I need to know the agenda that it says GPEG and patrollers. So we are here to know what GPEG kahle ingena kanjani ePimville. Because if 5 to 10 years back there was ama-patrollers esiwaziyo angithi like within labo wa patrol, not GPEG angithi. It was dissolved because of finances within ama-patrollers lawo. Then came GPEG out of nowhere. Angithi mina I'm acting now. Ngikhuluma kanje ngi-actor as a leader. Esemkata Street, Posey, Mhlahlani, Qatani, bonke bona. Those people they elected me and they know me. Bakhona. As a leader, what is the position of a leader? Is to protect the community. Is to make sure they are safe. Is to make sure with anything and happen, service delivery. Yeah, and I've done that. And I'm still continuing to do that because that's my passion. But there's an incident I need to disclose it to you. He's my leader. I'm married, guys. I've got 3 kids and wife. But do you know what? In the past last month, Uzegim was on Flashella, Wakokota, Afungena with force in my yard. Namachipeka 8 angas Vagumanchi. That is it. So-called Chipeke Wakayon, any promotankachi. But leader, Barna. I've stopped people not to pay. Yes, I've stopped people not to pay because my duty. When somebody comes to me, can't talk with Allah, or different from his house or her house. What must I do as a leader? Do I have to continue saying I told pay? It's my position. I have the right to protect. As a father foot, I have the right to protect the community. But Mr. Sam came with 8 patrollers in my yard. They flashed my windows. I didn't want to wake up. They forced the gate to come in. God, no, I'm going to be a man. I wake up and I face them. 8 of them alone. 4 o'clock. And I face them. You know what's happened? The approach of Mr. Sam. Out of nowhere. Yeah, wait now. You know those kind of issues. Just like that approach. And I have to tell them, yes, I did. And I stood on my ground saying that. Yes, because of people don't understand. I recognize handle structure. And that's what I did. We fought, guys, not physically, but verbally. We fought. But I have to tell them, guys, Mr. Sam, if you want me now, can you please have a meeting? Let's make sure but they know who you are. Even those people that I stopped, they must know who you are. Because know why? The very same person, what you play. But I was stupid. I think it was stupid. He went to their houses again. They say, Alex, I want to meet and they gave them. I got to meet next. I never had any meeting with GPEC. Now here's a catch. I get another GPEC, it's 50 rand. I get 50 rand. Again, the very people they came, they said, 100 rand. What must I do? I may need again. I must keep quiet again. I must keep quiet. You know what I did? You know what? The best way is for you to continue doing that. So don't be battling. But if I want something, don't come to me. That's what happened. So that's why there was a commission, there was this thing here, aggressiveness within the WhatsApp. Because but I acted as human. That's why I apologize for that. But the reason why I do so. Yes, ma'am.
And the GPEC has been started GPEC a promoter withdraw from the grid. They are not promoting GPEC. They are not promoting GPEC.
No, the reason why you do. When I say promote, I say in what sense? Okay, I will promote in that way. But let me say yes. The reason why I'm saying this is because of Ukarajanu already say sign you at GPEC on that. Within hours. Or no, say to la believe I'm not taking over. I don't know. To my understanding. That's why I teach you. So, Bashad, this is your platform. This is your platform where you're gonna say yes or you're gonna say no. You approve or don't approve. I'm not there. But I came here because on the battle of MC I can enjoy it. That's it. But now, guys, I want to tell you, I will continue to be a leader. I will continue to protect my people because I've got passion for that. No,
ba re ba ntshetsang ditšhelete ke bomang batho bao ba tlo patrola jwang we want clarity more. Going back to 2019 ne there was this conflict in around Pimville. Una le issue ya ma DSS actually abbreviation ile Delela Sukshay, something like that. Delela Suksol, whatever. Yes. Then from there, una le issue ya ngata fele hore una le batho ba ngata ba bolaiwang eng mo Pimville. We went to Cape SAPS. Ratshwara meeting le maponesa hore what is happening? Please give us information hore let's buy inka issue ena because ke lona le dilang ka crime. Okay, no sharp. Rathola or no iteng into but ya di mega tse dingata tse tsalang hadiyo fela re utlwile una le motho o bolaiweng ko pela PCC mo mosuming eng but tse ding ke di mega tse vele di sha fela we don't know what is happening. Fast forward to our meeting kamo return community meeting re batla go bua ka di patrollers. Ha re bua ka di patrollers o tla bonta ke ba itu no we have a business proposal. Here is our business proposal. We want you to agree with us. Sara re tlo gona o thola funding from Department of Community Safety. No, we're not really community. We are not going just to re-agree because we just was a business proposal. South African Police Service. Re dile ka di issues tsena o roska ba di dilo tse tsamayang underground. Ya lutwa le bitso ke gutlela go jipe. Le bitso le re ke Greater Pimville Against Crime. Is it a registered organization or what is happening? Yetsa ntho tse jwalo. Ara di thola dilo tse jwalo. But here, ha re utlwa di issues we are being forced to read. There is this JPEG. We must all agree kayona. We are not going to do that until we told the issues the right, understand that our issue, who the community must be safe. I don't know outside the 50 rand, as long as the community is safe. But who is this person or controlling JPEG and the Isabeta Juan? Ayo kamo. So that one muntu wa kini reflector ya JPEG kamo. Crime is everywhere. Again, they are affected. Isinguri crime how did you get JPEG kamoli? Therefore, how did you get crime to JPEG kamoli? Therefore, how say now crime mo TV. But the rebata dilolitsa maika order. That is why in our next meeting. Rebata robeli subs mo back say uniform ba re le people brigadiers mangmang ba tswa go clip down subs re ba tsebe re ba record ro kiba batho bana re go dila ka crime ka ofela because in that meeting I think Comrade Sam was there ha re bua le lona le ba crime intelligence ba le teng mo in that meeting ba re bolela hore lona ntse le mo ona le di tupu tse dingata. We don't have that record. Yes, crime is one, but we capitalize on my DSS in total. So, we still fear. Can be told my DSS more Pimville. I agree. It is not for the first time we are gangster mo Pimville. We will my KPS and the Rafa Dilaga ona right. Mona, Kadina Kotseli, my Jabrolas, my Japan, everything. But we managed to deliver on number 12. My DSS were given my 15-year-old, but why crime resources so all of a sudden, so what about Babatang will register company, Yauri, Chelete Swanity Kene. It was a visa community. I'm not saying GP, but it's a Maika order again. Mona, or I agree, or it's a Mali GPEG. Key decision ya community ka ofela. GPEG is a community because Kamo, again, like you we have never seen anyone wa JPEG mara ko WhatsApp group ka utlwa hore tshwanetse o ntshiwe di 50 rand mama o correct hore the community ya gabo tshwanetse appointed patrollers because ba tlo sebetsa within that community then ba tsamaya ba ilo vetiwa ke SAPS mole re ba bone hore ke batho ba right a se ditsotsi jwalo through their ID number le ntho tse jwalo hore di-fingerprints tsa bona di right because ha re batlo dila ka dilo tse at the end of the day di tlo kenya rona ko mathateng ya ntate Sam le ntate Alex e tlo ba difficult hore ke dile ka yona ke issue e nngwe e serious mara e tlo batla hore meeting o zama o dila ka yona ke a leboha.
Ba dumela le kae ana ba ntse ba dila ke masese ke dula ka mo zone 4 go ba botsa question ya tsidine a ke lwane ba ba golo tlamela wa bona gore eng a le di patrolla dia patrolla every month they shouldn't get in South Balo koleka aba ni ba koleka aba register fats bo khola gola ba je ga mala gore eng aba koleka chelete ene le di rumors a di ngata ba ne re tseba tata Sam a ja le chelete le teboga ja chelete se ba le patrolla ko zone 3 aba ni mo zone 4 ba jwetsa nnete ba kwata ba balia jalo ko ba botsa tata Sam ba ne le no teng mo tshotse JPEG a go itshwere na ya ntshotsa ba ne go ka mo bona ka JPEG ke mtse ba go le ntate tsamaya wa bona ke le ntate o tsamaya ene a go gabe eng o ile ka se khetse nna ne maponisa when before we bitsa maponisa o tla mathewa na re biza yini ba ni block wa twatine block e wifi tha abayetse msebenzi tlamele ba wetse ene so go limetse batho hamba ni ne kuphi e police station ma bafike police station vele nje police station udila ngemali they know vele abafika kufa 17,000 busiku safithile mo motho jwang ngoba ulimaditse usintse so bana kene patrollers o right ma chelete a potso ko motho wa ba they shouldn't come and control our money
ne kopo wa tsoro itse ke nna a ke understand because ba botse mo re tseba le bona khale ba ntse ba re lata okay taba ya JPEG khone re bona ngwana no ba re ke ma JPEG whatsoever and so far nna ya ka ba ntse ke dula ke ntse ba ntse ba lata o seng ka 10:05 so 10:05 usually ke na lusia bana ba ithukontlong ba 6 years le 12 years ke be ke tsamaya but on my way bana le phone mo ntse ba phone le right le ready se se feditse go le ka e bela transport by that time ke tsamaya one ma JPEG ka le dropa ko bus stop or ke thole bus ya ke tlotsa go nka yona each and every until ba ba mfonela mam transport ke yesele teng ra tswara tsamaya understand then ha go twa ma JPEG ke batho ba I understand what you're talking or because now I thought but ne le patroller before it's the same patroller ona no it's just like or ba iphile le bitso ona no la ke ma JPEG I can say because like confused on the other hand because le di 50 rand re dintsha nna 50 rand ke ntsha batho ba nlatang o seng ba ke ba tloetseng facial get facial treatment ke motho ke ntsha 50 rand mo we ene ba ke le ka ba bolela ka guys to be on the safe side zama o lethole this paper ya di receipt ke na di receipt ko ntlong ba sa ke sign ba sia pampiri le ke se ye ke lela bana ke tšhelete ya ma patrollers ba sia le slip buiwang ena a sa understand I just understand.
I don't holiday, I saw the meeting from Kabote, meeting 100 and 102. There are patrollers. There are some so together. We are not going to dwell on one thing. We are patrollers because of its selling letter. Why is come? So one I get to give me low thing, man. The point in the head, you do and check out what I have for the CPF, the subsidy, I think, Utabajwa. I wonder what I'm going to say in the because posting and now what I since we do
my concern is when we're moving out of that's not what people are. They're no longer following the agenda. I came on my agenda now as looking with a remote GPEC. I thought we would, as a chair, you will lead us or now. Issue a GPEC, then go to the next step. If you don't have any objection according to the issue of GPEC, you can have those questions. Any objection concerning GPEC, so that we should pass. We can issue electric. Then we can do sometimes because
of what I think like I'm exhausted. The person about our work.
Concerning the level warfare, just to level
because I think CPF will be controller.
Because CPF that's where we fit unless we fit late, have it I don't know but the whole report don't level patrollers and then there's why no matter how
Mami na power went to one. But what can we report for another very same people whenever. Won't that be much that you hear now? They opened a patrol. We see the problem never now we out. So I was one of them. Later to make a token of the Jawa patrol.
You know,
batho ba modimo because ro qetella re sa hlomphane ha re hlomphane anyway so o ka ba jwang because of ra ke bona ha le ke chairperson even if maybe wena o tseba go tshwara meeting but nna ha ke bona gale so why motho a sa ema a ba chairperson a tshwara meeting for support ya lona community of Imbizo Zone 4 regarding high school. Le ha ba bang ba sa patala. Ke kupetse gore ba sa patale. Bitu rutimele ba sa patale. And e ka tsela e ke le bolelele. I could but have a problem from go boxing. Mama buy a string for Eskom again. So I have feel about a box. But Tola Corena or thing, you know, but when you send a boy about me, when I do that, then you never want to bridge. Baba have a bridge. I saw the bridge to go. But where's come how I feel? Whoever incident takes a down with an Aba fika. Babi la zamba itima, babi kushu aba fika. 32 tela telana. Except ba tlo dikisande. It's a bridge. Tse bridge twen ba dintsha. O patala a tlhagela re ene ke patala. Ba ikhutsitsa mona. Ba ikhutsitsa straight isa tlhole e bridge. La tlhaloganya ke sa bypass. I said straight etsa. Is a uchini. Uchina on annex. So my worry goal. Repata. Okay. So you open for Calabra. Because the people on the field have even Mexico bridging and DPA and what. Bona have a field. But we have a bridge. Then the other one, Patala. How about when I say, and I'm sure never have a naggy, because the rent is straight. Ronald Taba or Café like him, see to by passing because of what I had a Pata. I guess so. Kilega Sia Joalo. Then, how about Timid? I think about meeting Monday or Saturday. You will want to mango patala. Have it about Hapatal, have a check or no. Agree as rights agreement to one, just I can go to PE. So it's about rule like that. Except you, but it's in manager, you are rival. About 1.5 now. So I shall make up for the battalion. I'm sure Nana I did it out of love. For a risky ratimeno coffee. Margia Potre. Bamba Patets Haiwan. Maraba Tetavan Hotat, Bamfu. Again. Now, Funella, Bacavella, but one Bamfunes. Immediately for its escort. Escom Mermella, but for but if Omo to Wapata, Lunani 6 had a batal, and it makes go boxing in one. Nabona for legislative. So, Kialeva Patalan had because some Kilemoha, I'll go on Wednesday for it. can say that or tell pata. So if the people are happy, Hane Babang, Coco California Toti, Legamo, go 6,000. As I'm about to attend the meter, in the rest of failure, this night meter. That box then is set to come like 42.76. If I will make a mobile mahon, I say the ref number limiter number. So Baba Talangamo said to me, it's gonna be easy for them for Bakenye Mutlaka Swaluna or looking more boxing in. Because of Kifoni, they got Santa to meet happy. That was 1 4. Because go group, Omuta was Antabatam wood. It's a quena rather in an art. Pretend meeting Omu has a retro or Reza Juan. So, give me like the fire on Baba, when I was at the reference number. Guys, I've started this cafe program. Reference now. Our own water be the match. Play the second the rock ship and number exciting Yamu to your match. And what's about Butukubata? Give a little bit. I want to come. Papa. My writing, but I don't get most Papa. Capa. Say, put my business to go lurking.
Go passing.
Oh,
sorry, what go passing?
What's that? Passing, but we 7 Passapata. 7 Costa Go in Kensan, or what? The jam or get a this is a progress. About Patan. Upataran to teach you. Using power ANC. Linda Dosset and go escort. Last 40 mil. To say 8. I wrote check a mole. You are 22 for a banana reference. Libel. So Hakia mole. Who bleeder for what? Omutari nani ki really I get this channel naki really but omobari shile mo ba on into mar har patale how you like also is something like and the bridge is about 400 rand inyanga bakabula 400 rand inyanga abathola batata ultimate the 50 rand affair immediately because why it's very straight for the bridge it's because har khona and it's winter now playing guys sebaqadile batim Batrati Batima, please get out of Hakale and Habam Levina or Bato Timajoan. But what link up? But yes, about teammates, Nikisati. Because Katsat have a little combat home. We go Escom and Ujali Escom. I said, Little good name, Uja Escom. Understand? So, Nikupa Batali, then Lina, go to for handling the chicken to repata. How about Balibata? Because Santa Bato looks at the box, looks at the coffee. Because it's a hit. Kibama come on. It's a hit. No, thank you. It's a hit, of course. Yena wapata niba hepata and ultimate kabakala so nikikupa patale then rosota out no ni mama
Manje obhadala ebank ziyangideclare ilento ayingeni imali. Ngize ngathatha i-statements kamama msadala bese bengathi envelope esiphawula blue wine. Ngabhadala ngazo. or izongena le mali le orangeke ingena ngazo.
Ma'am, uyithothi nini reference number yakho?
Makukala. Yeah, azale ingena.
Emabili how it was na bolo kuqala. Nekibwa every time guys. Kuba ho le for April ya ga ha isebenzi. Ha o patala ka yona o tsosa setsotso sa gago. Ha o na le bothata khutla hape o nne. Ne ke khutlela go gape. I've been going to Eskom ka makgetlo wa ngaka. Ne di hlaga mo le this a sebetsi. Ke khutlela gape ka dipampiri tsa lona. But mama ha o re thotse sa pele ntse sa itse. Wa bona gore e re ke gore ke tlo ibua popa. I'm not saying I'm blunt. Mara mama kana go eo nga bo tlile kone. Ka ta ka o thusa ka ba dipitse tse ka mo la go go ka ka ba ka tlhalosetsa batho gante ka o fela ka bitsiwa ko tlase ka lo tlhalosetsa batho yona wa bona gore mama o tsiste sekoloto se and gore ba wetsetsa gore ebe PPU ha ke tsebe jwang ne ke kopa gore o tlo mpona and ha re baneng le nnete re le batho ba bangwe wa bona ona you qaki Lapo emapele ma wa tsa ke re ha ke re utlakile ke shojwa you utlakile ha is that statement se ha se tla so tla 100 and something thousand so tla 100 and na go ha rena nnete because let's come hard wa o botsa go o bridge tse o jwang o etsa hala ha o mleletse batho ba la bana bothata ke bua maka o abana bothata ha o bridge tsile ha ba e touch a ke ba bueli ma ga le sample le di nnete motho a re ha nna ntse ke reka ha nna ntse ke etsa ha se go thatafala motho a re ha ke le ka bridge
Mina inkinga yami kwaba into eyi-1 besinikezwa abofila ngapha imali reference angasebenzi bapela banike batshela ukuthi asisebenzi izinto babuye bese nenye ayisebenzi lento babuye bese nenye waze wathi usinda kungcono ukuthatha isitatimende lesisana Mama mo ajuna ase ai kiko abo ki mo fila ref number e patil e tsedi ditotsi ampitsa are ref number e mo fila ayetsi kara ayetsi because maybe ntlo ha ibitswe yona ibitsa mme wa hao ke yona problem e sasa mzoma
omo majisi singathi nitsetsa santsane ene ba tseba nako ba file tsona ditse una tse dintse santsane kutle ine le ntate ake so ke sa moe ka ai le ntate ya khutla e batla idea the own of the house ai mama ke tsore idea mama ba mo ndetsela so ha re tsebo gore ntate ha tlo thola ntlo e ne ngwadisitswe ka ma ake ke di forum a ke tse so ba di tlo tlang late gona no I'm sure about 22 or 3 except how much they got 6,000 by the money what time the reference number and I want jump I'm so Ngasi every time they are going to say let's go and I think we talk about but don't to some because of then when about we are Mr. Karate the patients for but kita thusa mo leng ho bete but ke tseba gore ke kontlo guys o ka mpona ke tsamaya ke fofa ka mo I'm not well at all ne and ke relate le last gore ke operation ya spine but because of ona le passion ya ho thusa batho that's how I do it so umbulane ka mo I think o tabate ka mo le tla kgetha hore mang atle ha re gotla our hara Wednesday ke tsamaya ka ofela le tlo gona le tlofa batho report e hantle nna ke gitswe iphume ezintweni
ngicela ukubingelela sanibonani. So bahlali nami ngihlala ngapha. Kusho ukuthi siqala ukubhadala ngoMarch. Ngabhadala ngoMarch, ngabhadala up to June. So bafika last week. Zange ngafika ngibona nje sekuqiniwe ngicabanga ukuthi load shedding kanti baqinile. So bese ngiyaku-assistant. Ngiyamtshela ukuthi bangicimele and nawo ama-receipt. Mabafika lapha bathi no. Wena i-next door yakho ayibhadali, i-92 ababhadali. Ngithi no mina ngo-93. So how come ukuthi bangicimele? Babe sebangibuza ukuthi ngiyathenga. Ngase ngithi ke mina no angithengi. Akudala ngagcina ukuthenga 2022 umthenga. Babe sebathi ke ngeke base bayafika abantu be-Eskom sengifonela uThidi. Uthidi so yezwe yabajela ukuthi no marasithi umama uyabhadala. So why nimcimela? Babe sebathi ke bafonele ema-ofisini. Bathi ema-ofisini no ungamlayiteli because ngapha bayakweleta. Manje angazi ukuthi kungena kanjani babethe basebaqinile ke basebalungisa i-box. Bathi kimi mama sicela uhambe uyothenga umhlakazi. And then mawuthenga umhlakazi izawulayita. Mara lapha eboxini abazange benza nix. Bayibakubhalela nje inamba. Base bathi kimi ngihambe ngiyothenga umhlakazi. Ngempela umakhelwana wami ubaba umnye wamakhelwana wami wangincedisa sahamba sathenga le-airtime yakhona. Masiyifaka yalight. Manje ngicela ukubuza ukuthi kuza kanjani ukuthi ubhadala lama 400 rand mara bajike baqinile. Ngoba besithe masibhadala lama 400 angeke baqinile. Manje ngahlala so kwamanje bengicela ukuthi bakhe masiza mina sibhadala ngoba bona bayasicimela ngempela. Ngihlale ngaphandle kwe-electric for 2 days nginganama light ngendaba yokuthi umakhelwana kabhadali and angazi ukuthi uza kanjani.
Responde umuntu mnyama ne akira bafika mo bathotse gore ha ba bula box ba thusa ntata go khone bathotse gore 92 and 93 di bridges ake batho ba le ba di khoga ba jetsa ibe straight so ha ba straight iba jwa box akere go ntungwe tlo sebetsa box go ntungwe tlo sebetsa understand and rona re metse gore re tlo lokisetswa di box. So bone ba le go fielding ba le mo fatshe ba ba roma ha ba tsebe nix ka agreement ya rona le maphala. The reason why ke ka la bra ke tlo ya to dumelana ke
yeah
then to go ba ba itu o one kama le one that side akan ba
in terms of Eskom, also tell Eskom you can't punish a person who is paying.
Doesn't make sense.
And I'm also willing, if you need manpower, I'm also willing to join you to assist.
No problem.
Let's address it. The second one, let's make sure that the mapper also taking sure they must know media must also be in black and white. We make sure that agreement the community knows. But no, this is the agreement we have. You can't go 50 million to back. Yes.
As Mama actually because our Akiruna box is a barreka, but I want to enter that. So obvious how I enter could I who Kiki at time, so sure how I recharge, but Ureki, so obvious box out your age. That's why to learn how I eating very age. So the box babang have a bridge, not babang a bridge the box. If I'm not mistaken, but the box I want to be that's why I start entering that pin. So King Trey last 2 kilo I carry have a battle of FNP. ya gore ba sort out this issue ya box. This are secretary, it's not like all of them they be. So na ya kana ya ka activate. So thole ba bang vele ha di activate and ba bang vele di ka se activate because ke gale ba sa recharge. It's like how can recharge a time to do think they are my block something. So I think have a bridge to that. And then another thing guys can go Kupari Patali 400 because 6,500 in it's
between a box this thing by a box about feeding on the ref number here because I get our rec. You don't get a pain. It is a turn away. I keep punch. Yeah, can I swallow no, Kinsem Chele. But I believe us, how now go in the air, it will lapse a box, and contract you are not very faded. So, what you do, issue your trade because here exists a area, but Kamukia Patara, Karef Nambum Fidengo.
I think maybe Kabalidi consents, ne? Like you know, because I know the answers for everything. Then Haria Kuma Palala, remote all those things, and another Hutla, Khalifa report back. All the problems, the challenges like Yamama, Elengore, Lenanje, ke puzzle, Tigaonore, Yetala Juan. So I think Arkadi Nota fell Artebore, Haria Qua, Robota di Poto, and another the answer, and then quickly say report back.
Yeah, thanks. And now that the delegation is here to ESCOM, and the IDO representative now, so Nenzaki search out that they want to 10 rand, or at least they contribute for Bahono Panama takes, Havayamole, if you not the orange, the Reka, Bahono Reka, or Babe right. And they give me no do activity sentence area or after Moki Cruella funds. But I will encourage you to continue. You are representing us very well. So you represent really well. You offer support 100% activated support.
I think one day you're not going anywhere. I think I told you and I can tell you what understand what you want. So you're not going anywhere. To any of my things, but we as no neki kuporo fe opa mata rueno cheriki offices. I think I'm 1, 2, 3. But Babaka, Haba Patan, Kinna Kiribaki Security, Haba Pata, Kibat Babu, and Kibat my house. Nobody all your house. So I was known to Haba Pata. So Nikir Ufe Opa task, Linekitabati, River Vitete Moles Gangu, Daningen or Kwambam Dagas. Who will that assembly? Opa Utam for the Linda, they came with way on Habapata.
Today, Jose was not to put down to not talk about the one from Akibulamia, the Tolori Mutoku City Power. Or Kupaskia, but my girl is Kiasa in. Araskia box, a rich box, our box of whole Baraskia in a way. Garias Skiasina in the Maracoslata was passed. The Rutobatango boxo, Aruto Buddha boxo, Ulu, check out the top of the street light. Garhanta Mae, Rolata Skia, but in Silco, Catamalia, and up to a city cow. Garakata Katia, appointment Katia, how big, before Kufaski, Remika, Mokanete Galiana Haza. Angaskia aya boxo
bodisa bo ba mlatela ko boxong ha fitla kwa boxong ba butse box e so o bua gore go tsutse cable for the street light but strateng se sabo at least the street light sa teng tse di light so ba khila